Hi, this is a tutorial on how to use Suncalc.org. Suncalc is a website that lets you determine the location of the sun in the sky, not just what direction it is, but how high above the horizon it is. So here's how this works. For starters, I've zoomed in on Liberty North High School. You can pick a different location just by clicking this bar here and typing in some location. You'll get a drop-down menu and just select stuff, and you can actually drag the map around and reposition your image if you'd like to. So I've got Liberty North High School here, and you'll notice here there are times, information about the position of the sun at dawn or sunrise or culmination, which means the highest point in the sky, or sunset or dusk, and then the times those will occur here today, on this date. And okay, so I'm going to click on sunrise to drag the sun to its sunrise location. So there at sunrise, it's going to show up right there. And what I want you to note is the altitude is a negative number, and that means that the sun is still, the center of the sun would still be below the horizon. The azimuth is the direction that the sun shows up. So like the compass direction of the sun is going to peek over the horizon. And to orient yourself, north is 0 degrees, and then east is 90 degrees, south is 180 degrees, and west is 270. So you can see the azimuth at sunrise will be 83 degrees, which means it's showing up right there. If we want to see where it shows up at the highest point in the sky, we can just click on the word culmination, and you can see this is where it will be. It's at the azimuth would be at almost 180 degrees, so just about due south of us would be the highest point in the sky. We can pick other times, so we can click on that, and let's say we want to see where the sun shows up at 8:10, right the minute we start school. And we can so we'll enter the times there, and then take time, that button, take time, will show us where the sun is at that moment. So at that moment, the azimuth is 95.69 degrees, right there. So you're going to take a few different times during the course of the day and determine where the sun would be. This is 3:15, and so at the instant we get out of school, this is where the sun will be. At 225 degrees, which is somewhere between south and west. You're going to take the location of the sun at a few different times during the day and put that down, and then create your own shadow stick. Something else you should know where to find is the latitude and longitude of your location is down here. So whatever spot you pick, I want to know the lat and long there, and it kind of in this format: degrees, minutes, and seconds, and the direction, degrees, minutes, and seconds of latitude, and the direction. Okay, go be awesome.